Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram account. And then head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then just go to the post option and create your post. Once you're in your post option, just select multiple photos and then click on next. Add any music you want from here. Click that tick mark, go to next and click on share. Click on not now. And as you can see, the music is shared with the picture, multiple pictures. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.